Hey guys, it's Jessica Rosemary if you're new here. If not, welcome back to today's video. We are partnering up with Beautyforever Hair for today's video. They sent us their Kinky Curly 13 by 4 24-inch hair. Once you receive your package, you will receive goodies like an elastic band, lashes, a brush. They also provide you with a detailed pamphlet on how to take care of your hair. This is the hair fresh out the box. This is its natural real state. Comes with kinky edges, and the curls I believe are like really close to 4C hair. 4C hair is known to shrink, so this hair does have a lot of shrinkage as well. I was super excited when I saw that they gave me an HD wig cap. First things first, for a flawless melt, having a quality wig cap. It's a transparent wig cap, so it helps you see where you're applying your glue, if the glue is touching your hair, and just how perfect your layout is under your cap. Before you use ebony or any holding spray to stick down your lace, make sure your edges are laid back or laid down. That also helps with a flawless foundation. You don't want your edges to be, just all over. That can also promote hair loss along your hairline, so just make sure your edges are laid back, laid flat, and laid down. The next step is to pull down the cap past your ears. So once you cut 2 holes above your ears, your lace has support to help stay in place. So once that step is done, you can now pick a holding spray of your choice. I like to use ebony when it comes to holding down my wig cap. And once the holding spray is dry, the next step is to cut the excess lace. So when it comes to this, I like to cut my first round furthest away from my face, because the lace is so thin at times you can't really tell if you're cutting your skin or hair or not. And I just do it section by section, so do what works best for you when it comes to this step. Now you guys know I used the infamous Ruby Kisses foundation, and I literally hit pan. You guys saw from the beginning of my influencer journey, I started using my actual NARS foundation, and then I believed I used like a contour stick. I finally got my hands on Ruby Kisses cream foundation, and I never switched since, and that's for a reason. If you haven't already, definitely get your hands on this. It's now time to cut the lace, and it's best to work with multiple sections to get a flat install. I put about 2 to 3 layers of glue before I lay any lace down. It's just so much easier to start with the middle section rather than the outer sections. Like I stated before, I use 2 to 3 layers of glue. Before I add another layer on top, I make sure that the layer before is dried. It's best to lay your lace on top of the glue when you're 90 to 95% tacky. Make sure you do not use your fingers, because our fingers tend to leave our lace to, have like the white casty residue. So I like to use a comb to push in the lace, because obviously combs have less oil. I repeat those methods for my other section as well. So whether that may be 3 other sections, I do the same methods for every section on my hair. I use an eyebrow razor to cut my lace. The eyebrow razor cuts with a jagged edge compared to using the scissors, which would just cut straight across and would leave like that imprint of the lace. I use Spritz holding spray to basically seal in the lace. I'm gonna rave about Spritz for a second. Spritz has been killing it. I don't know if it's like a revamp for them, or like they changed like the products they used back in the day. Now literally Spritz is the best holding spray for lace, especially. It does not stay tacky or sticky for long. To like sometimes ebony, I'm not gonna lie to you, ebony does stay tacky or like sticky for a while, but Spritz does not. And also Spritz don't turn white or flaky. Once I spritz my hairline down, I then go ahead and use the elastic band that they gave me to hold everything in place. I use Eco styling gel to do my baby hairs. I was going for the soft feathery baby hairs because that type of hair goes best with this hair texture. To do your baby hairs, it takes time. I know sometimes it's easy to just do like the swoops and call it a day. Take your time with it, be patient, especially if you want it to come out a certain way. Because I don't like the thick baby hair look, I did go in and pluck out some extra hairs that I felt like was unnecessary. So yeah, don't be afraid to pluck your baby hairs. I know at times we don't like to pluck our baby hairs. The baby hairs being the right density can make or break your look. It took me a while to figure out what type of hairstyle I wanted to do for this wig. My goal for this hair was to show out the curl pattern. TikTok inspired me to do this half up, half down look, and yeah, I am in love. To achieve this particular half up, half down style, I parted the front section of my hair into two, and with the rubber band I tied this two front piece and it's placed behind my head so no one can be able to see it. This is kinky curly hair and it tangles a lot if it's not brushed out. I made sure to detangle both ends before tying it at the back. So in many attempts that you guys did not see, I definitely tried to get my ponytail how I wanted, but it just wasn't coming out how I wanted to come out. I asked my younger sister to help me with the top half of my hair, and I was telling her the instructions on how I wanted it, and she got it perfectly. So once the ponytail is positioned exactly how you want it, take a couple pieces of hair strands behind the ponytail and wrap it around the rubber band that you use to hold your hair. Okay, so I promise you now we are in the last and easiest part of this hairstyle. This part is easier when it's done in sections. Get a spray bottle with water and conditioner in it and spray, then detangle your hair. Once you are done with every section, go in with the hair gel or moisturizing butter of your choice and finger curl all over your hair. So this is my honest review on this hair. I've been rocking this hair for a week now, and I can honestly say this is some good quality hair, especially for the price. Once your hair is styled, there's no extra shedding, there's no matting. As long as you wake up, you detangle your hair is set for the rest of the day. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.